Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So Mayavadi wants to prove that the ultimate truth is Nirakar or impersonal. So Krishna gives you intelligence. Yes, he put this forward, this logic, that logic. Similarly, Krishna gives, there is a Bengali proverb that how God works, that one man, a householder, is praying to God, "My dear Lord, there may not be any theft case, burglary in my home this night. Please save me." Now one man is praying like that. Another man is praying the thief, "My dear Lord, this night I shall commit burglary in that house. Please help me to get some." Now what is Krishna's position? Krishna is everyone's heart. So Krishna has to satisfy so many prayers. The burglar and the thief and the householder, so many prayers. So Krishna's adjustment, but he still, that is Krishna's intelligence. How he adjusts. He gives everyone freedom. And everyone is given facilities, but still he is in bother. Therefore Krishna advises to his devotees that don't plan anything. You rascals, you nonsense, you don't give me trouble. Please surrender to me. Just go under my plan, you will be happy. You are making plan, you are unhappy, I am also unhappy. I am also unhappy. So many plans are coming daily and I will have to fulfill. He is merciful, he goes, Jidhathamang Prabhattante Tansa. So, except the devotee of Krishna, everyone is simply giving Krishna trouble. Therefore they are called Duskritina. Duskritina, most miscreants, the miscreants. Don't make any plan, except Krishna's plan. That will be simply giving trouble to Krishna. Because a devotee does not pray even for his maintenance. That is pure devotion. He doesn't give trouble to Krishna even for his bare maintenance. If he has no maintenance, he will suffer. Fasting, still he will not ask Krishna, "Krishna, I am very hungry, give me some food." Of course, Krishna is alert for his devotees. But a devotee's principle is not to place any plan to Krishna. Let Krishna do. Simply we have to do according to the plan of Krishna. So what is our plan? Our plan is, Krishna says, "Sarva dharman puritajya mamekam saranam." That's manvana bhavamad bhakti madhyaya. So our plan is the same thing. We are simply canvassing for Krishna, that you become Krishna conscious. We have to show our example, how we are becoming Krishna conscious, how we are worshipping Krishna, how we are going on the street for vibrating Krishna's name, transcendental name. Now we are distributing Krishna's prasadam. As far as possible, our business is to induce persons how he becomes Krishna conscious. That's all. For that reason, you can make your plan, because that is Krishna's plan. But that should also be sanctioned by Krishna. Don't make your own manufactured, concocted plan. Therefore, to guide you, a Krishna's representative required. That is spiritual master. So, there is a huge plan and huge scheme. Therefore, we have to follow the footsteps of the Mahajan, as it is stated here, that Dadasaite bijanima dharmanga bhagavatanga bhata. He says that we, the selected Mahajan, representative of Krishna, we know what is Bhagavad Dharma, what is Krishna Dharma. Dadas, Vedadas means 12 names already mentioned. Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu, I have explained. So Jamaraj says, only we these 12 men, representatives of Krishna, we know what is Bhagavad Dharma. Dadasaite Bijanima means we know. Dharmang Bhagavatang Bhata Dviyam Visuddhang Durbodham Jangasyam Mridam Asnate. We know. Therefore it is advice. Mahajana Jena Gata Sapanta. These Mahajans, as they have prescribed, that is the real way for understanding Krishna's spiritual salvation. So we are following the Brahma Sambrada, the first stamp, Brahma, then Narada, from Narada Vyasdev. In this way, Madhacharya, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in this way. So today, because we are following the footsteps of Sri Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, so this is today's his appearance. So we should honor this tithi very respectfully and pray to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami that we are engaged in your service. So give us strength, give us intelligence, and we are being guided by your servant. So in this way we have to pray, and I think in the evening we shall distribute prasad.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna